I am on my way to Ute. I actually got home on Saturday from my hiking trip. Was home for about 2-3 hours, maybe 4, and then left again for Ute. So my boyfriend was at Ute, and that's why I went.
Ja, skönt bara.
To join him for a couple of days, just having vacation together.
Jag fortsätta.
Quite tired, but hey, I made it. We're just sitting here in the sun, alone, just enjoying the loneliness. Plotting how we're gonna get away with murder. No, just kidding, hold on, just kidding. No, we're just sitting here catching up. We haven't seen each other for about a week. So we're just catching up over some wine. Couldn't ask for anything else, pretty much. Just listen how peaceful this sounds. Then later this evening, we decided to have some sauna time.
Wandering Oaken's trading post. Ooh, and sauna.
Big summer blowout. Half-off swimming suits, clogs, and a sunbalm of my own invention. Yeah?
So we were in that hut for about, I would say, a couple of hours, just heating up our bodies and then running outside, then run outside to jump in the water to cool our bodies. I actually never done that before, and I thought I would hate it. That's not the case. It was actually pretty nice. It's a very euphoric feeling. Every cell in your body, every limb in your body is just tingling because it's such a big temperature change. Yes, hello, I'm here. I would really recommend it. Good morning. It's the next day and we decided to have breakfast outside on their patio. The only thing is, Ute is located in the archipelago, which means it's quite windy all the time, and the weather changes are ridiculous. But we decided to go down to the water and be able to be at the beach. But oh boy, that didn't really work. It was really windy, and I even walked down there with a blanket on.
Oh, det är kallt!
Nope, we decided to go back to the patio where we ate breakfast. It's a lot less windy up there, but hey, it was quite nice just chilling, sleeping, getting all my energy back up. And then it was time for another cozy dinner time outside with the same bottle of wine. The next morning we had to take a bike ride to the nearest food shop, to get some food because we were out of it. Right after I filmed that, it started raining literally pouring down. Do you remember when I said that the weather here at Utö changes like all the time? This is what I meant. Just look at this. It was raining 1 second and then the sun come back out. Just so confusing. Then we decided to eat dinner out in one of the restaurants on Utö, and it was so cozy. We had the view of the sunset during the whole dinner and just relaxing, being able to eat something that you didn't cook, which I got to say is really nice actually. Just celebrating the last night we had at Utö before we were heading back. Just look at that. Look at that. Wow. And now we're heading back home. We had quite an interesting weather ahead of us, I can tell you. Really dark clouds. I'm very glad that we didn't stay at Utö for another day. But hey, got on the boat and then I drank the worst coffee I've ever tasted. But hey, I'm home, safe and sound, so I won't complain at all. That's it for me. I hope you all are well. Love you. Mwah!